Keto diet for weight loss. 5 side effects that signals you to quit this diet instantly. Ketogenic diet. If you're getting keto flu, constipation, or are not losing weight, then the keto diet is not for you. Here's what you need to know. The very popular keto diet is known to offer quick weight loss results. The diet involves eating carbs in low amounts, fats in high amounts, and proteins in moderate amounts. Only 5% of your total daily calories should come from carbs. This forces your body to enter the state of ketosis, in which the body turns to fat for fuel. Giving up on one food group entirely is not considered a very healthy practice. It can lead to irritability, mood swings, and several other side effects that may not be good for you in the long run. Keto diet may be effective for weight loss, but there are side effects you need to look into. Nutritionists and health experts rarely advise following fat diet to achieve quick weight loss. In fact, just losing weight loss should not be your only goal. Getting fitter and stronger with better stamina, good sleep quality, and peace of mind. All of these goals can be achieved by following a healthy, balanced diet, regular exercise, and being physically active. Following are a few side effects of keto diet that may signal you should quit it instantly. Constipation. Cutting down on carb-rich foods may restrict you from eating foods that are also rich in fiber. Whole wheat, rice, pulses, and several other vegetables contain both carbs and fiber and can help in keeping constipation away. Constipation is one of the most common side effects of following the keto diet. Make sure you eat sufficient amount of healthy fats and protein in order to prevent constipation. If you still don't have regular bowel movement, then it's time to quit keto diet. Diarrhea. This may be a side effect which occurs from eating fat in excess. The body is not used to metabolizing fats in large quantities. Once you resume regular eating habits, your keto-related diarrhea is likely to go away. Keto flu. The infamous keto flu is a common side effect of keto diet. It can make you feel nauseous and give the feeling of throwing up as soon as you start following the keto diet. When following the diet, make sure you drink plenty of water and maintain your electrolyte intake to prevent keto flu. If symptoms don't go away, it's best you stop following the diet. Irregular periods. Skipping one entire food group can cause hormonal imbalance and nutritional deficiencies. This may be the reason why your periods have become irregular. Stop following the diet instantly in this scenario. You are not losing weight. Usually, the keto diet shows almost instant results. And if this is not the case, you're probably consuming too many calories from fats and proteins. It is better to eat a balanced diet and practice portion control with regular exercise for effective weight loss. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share. Subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Stay connected for latest updates.